guys, it's Thursday afternoon after lunch. I didn't really record that much this morning because I didn't know how stuff was gonna go, so I kind of just waited. But I'm back down here at this pond where we burying this mud, and I'm down in it, and I'll show you where we're at for anybody that's watched the previous videos. So right over there is there's the box, then there's that 4-bay berm, and that big 4-bay we already cleaned out. And let me get this thing revved up. And right here to my right, there's a 4-bay right here. It's a triangle, and I'm in the main section of the pond. So I mean, the pond runs from right over there at the end of that hole way on around there. I bet it's 200 yards long, maybe. Yeah, I'd say 200 yards, maybe 250 yards. But I got a hole dug in the bottom, and I'm trying to get this mud out. And I think I'm gonna climb up. This bank. There's a berm right here, and then on the other side it's all filled with silt. I'm gonna throw some of that silt in here and then push it on down the to that hole. So I'm gonna put y'all on the outside since the windshield's so dirty. Actually, I'll just open the windshield. All right, so I'm gonna climb up over this berm right here and start throwing this mud. really clean up a whole lot better. Just using what I got. I about got this hole filled in now. Go up here and pull some more mud back. It just don't work good because I can pull it to me. And then I got to get on the other side of it. By the time I get on the other side of it, I done pushed it back up the way. So. We just, you know, I mean, it don't work bad like this, but like I say, I can't get it on the other side of it. Thing is, I gotta have it clean. I gotta get it somewhat cleaned up though, because I gotta dig another hole somewhere right in here with me. I don't want to be digging up mud, so gotta get this section cleaned up. I'm just scoop it for a minute. This cord is, but it's super annoying. Alright, so I've started another hole. I got that one filled in. Started another one right here. Let's see. Some air going. It's hot. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to dig this one too big, just because it's 2 o'clock and it's going to take a little while to fill in, so it's like 2:15 right now. So I'm going to just, I always dig them way too big or way too small, so we'll just go for the smaller side and get this stuff dug out. Clayton's up there kind of spreading it out on top of the dam a little bit so it can dry out over the next couple days. So we're going to spread it on top of the dam and grade it just to raise the dam up, just to get rid of it. It's really wet, so try to let it dry as best as we can. Like, I'm basically at the water table right now. About 3 feet down, 4 feet down, water's coming in the hole just out of the side of the main. This dirt's really, you know, it doesn't have much clay in it, so